So now here thing is, sir, how you have means when you are writing this and when you are writing this, okay na? What was there in my mind? In my mind means what I want to communicate to you. I want to communicate when you are getting one log this side and one number k that side. After that, what you have to see? You have to see the base. In base, what you will see? Whether base is greater than 1 or base is between 0 to 1. So here base is greater than 1. Here base is between 0 to 1. Okay. So if base is greater than 1, what I will do? And base is between 0 to 1, what I will do? Okay. Na? And once again, sign can be anything. Sign can be greater than equals to sign can also come. Less than sign can also come. Less than equals to sign can also come. Same thing over here. Out of this 4 sign, any one sign can go there. For sign, we don't have any problem. It will work for all the sign. So whatever I will tell you here, it will work for all the sign. Whatever I will tell you there, it will work for all the sign. Okay. So when base is greater than 1, simply you have to remove the log. Whatever is here, you have to write that. Same thing, whatever is there, you have to write that. Greater than, same sign you will write. And this 2 will go that side, and that 2 will go in degree of 2, and that will become 2a square. And now you have to solve this equation. Now this equation will go to basics. Remember na, basics, one side 0 should be there. I will draw the number line, put the root plus minus plus. I will get the answer. Okay. That is the third step. And if base is between 0 to 1 by 2, so whatever is here, you will write same thing. You will change the sign. It means if base is between 0 to 1, sign will get changed. Base is greater than 1, sign will not change. And this 1 by 2 will go that side, and that side degree 3 will go in, that side 3 will go in degree of this. Now solve this. Solve. After solving, this is the last step. When you solve, you will get some answer. Fourth step is intersection of second and third is our final answer. That's all. Okay, now I am going to apply all these 4 steps for solving this logarithmic inequality. First step, I need to generate one log one side and one number that side. So for that, what I will do, will say, I will generate one log. This log I will bring this side, that will become log x square minus log x plus 1 greater than 0. That side number k is there, but this side single log is not present. So can you see what is log a minus log b? What is log a minus log b? Log a by b. X square by x plus 1 greater than 0. Yes? Now we'll find domain. Domain minus infinity to infinity. What I will find domain? First of all, I will find for this log. This log is x square. I will solve one equation here, x square greater than 0. So when x square greater than 0, this is simple polynomial inequality. So see, that side 0 is there or not? That side single term is there or not? So this equation now we can solve directly. Only we have to put root on this. So tell me, x square is equals to 0. What will be x? 0. Two roots will be there. Both roots will be 0. If I say, if I solve here, x square is equals to 0. So x square is equals to 0. What will get x? x equals to plus minus 0. It means 1 0 with plus, 1 0 with minus. It means 2 0 will get. Like x square is equals to 4. What will be x? X square is equals to 4. What will be x? Yesterday she was telling only 2. Plus minus forget. Today she is saying plus minus. Okay, very good. So plus or minus 0. It means 2 0 roots are present. Yes or no? I will put 0 here. Now tell me. 0 to infinity. Take any number. 5. 5 square. Positive or negative? This side I will put positive. Now tell me 0 is root how many times? 2 times. If it is even, sign will not change positive. Equals to sign is present. No, it means open bracket. What will be answer here? Minus infinity to infinity except 0. We got domain for the first log. Now second log domain I am going to find. X plus 1 greater than 0. I will draw number line. Minus infinity plus infinity. This will be minus 1 plus minus. I know that directly equals to sign is not present. Open bracket. You want greater than 0. It means minus 1 to infinity open bracket. Now we'll take intersection of both for finding the domain. When you have two log, you find domain of both separately, and after that take intersection. I am going to take intersection. So this will be minus infinity, this will be plus infinity. Here this is saying all the number between minus infinity to infinity except 0. All the number between minus infinity to infinity except 0. So here 0 is present, here we'll put 0. Second answer I will write minus 1 to infinity. So minus 1 will come here. Minus 1 to infinity. After that, it means this is our domain and this is the second step. Don't think these steps are, yes, it is taking time, but it's not like you don't know. Okay, na? So now I will write here minus 1 to infinity except 0. This is the intersection. Now I am ready to solve the question. So this is our total second step, finding domain of that equation. Okay? Yes. Now third step is removing log. And for removing log, we have to see the base, whether base is greater than 1 or between 0 to 1. Now see here, in this log is there, base you cannot see. So what is base here? 10. Greater than 1 or greater than 1? It means simply you will reduce here x square upon x plus 1 greater than 10 will go that side and 0 will go in degree of 10. That will come 10 raised to 0, which is 1. Now this is rational inequality. Rational inequality. Now you can forget all those things. Now this is new question. Yes, na? You can forget all these things. Now there has nothing. Those all, no, don't forget that. But that will be used for in the last step. But solving this equation, this all information is now invalid. Nothing. It means I can ask direct this question in your exam. Solve this. So it means this is one different question now from your from our basics of mathematics, and I know you can solve this question from basics of. How you will solve? 1 will take this side, will create 0. Yes ना? समझ में आया? देख. अरे wait. हाँ, done. So now I'm going to solve this question. Maybe I will solve this question once again so that you can remember, yes sir, that all things are clear. X square upon x plus 1 minus 1 greater than 0. And you remember that side 0 and one side it should be combined. So we will write 1 by 1, x plus 1 and 1. X plus 1, that will become x square minus times of x plus 1 greater than 0. It means our equation will be x square minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 greater than 0. Now this is combined. I will minus infinity plus infinity. I'll find root of numerator. I'm going to find root of numerator, this quadratic. What is A? 1. What is B? Minus 1. What is C? Minus 1. C is equals to minus 1. Now I'll find x. X is equals to minus B. Minus of minus 1, 1 plus minus root under B square, that will become 5 upon 2a, 2 into 1, 2. Root 5. And now, what is root of this denominator? Minus 1. So I am going to write both the root. One root is 1 plus root 5 by 2. And one is 1 minus root 5 by 2. And one root from denominator is minus 1. Now out of all these three root, which root is the smallest root? Just check this. What is root 5? 2 point something, na? So 1 minus 2 minus 1 point something. And minus 1 point. Achha, tell me root 5 value. Simple. 2.4, na? 2.41. Correct, na? Are bolo yes or no? 2.41 is correct, na? You know better than me about root 5. Maybe I forgot. Tell me. Root 5, 2.41. 1 minus 2.4. Minus 1.4. Minus 1.4 divided by 2. Minus 0.7. It means this is 0.7. This is minus 1. Which one is lesser? Minus 1 is lesser. So what I will do here? I will write minus 1 first. Then I will write 1 minus root 5 by 2. And then I will write 1 plus root 5 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now this side, sign will be positive. And all three roots are different roots. Na? No root is repeating. It means simply sign will change. Greater equals to sign is not there. All open. We want greater than 0 means positive. Now finally, fourth step. What is fourth step? Intersection of first and second. So this red part was our second solution. This green part is our third solution. I am going to take intersection of both. For intersection, I will draw a big number line. Minus infinity plus infinity. This I will write minus 1 to infinity except 0. Here. So the answer we can take from this region only. Because for this region only our system is defined. If x is from this region, log will become negative. Log will become negative. Then system will be undefined. Okay. So here, this part minus 1, 1 minus root 5 will be here. 1 minus root 5 by 2. And this is 1 plus root 5 by 2 will be here. 1 plus root 5 by 2. And here I will write minus 1 to 1 minus root 5, open both. This I took here, and 1 plus root 5 to infinity, this I took here. And what is in intersection? These all things are in. Answer will be minus 1 to 1 minus 5 by, and bracket of bracket, 1 plus 5 by 2 to, and this is our final answer. Done. Okay. So if you are going to revise, how you will revise this question? That is the main thing here. You will revise this question in just 4 steps. Okay. First of all, you will see the question. Acha, logarithmic inequation is there. That first thing it should come in mind while revision. Second thing, the format which we solve in logarithmic inequation. One side one log should be there, other side number should be there. Okay. And for generating one side number, that log you are taking this side so that 0 will get generated that side. That is the second step. And one side, because one log is required, you will apply some property to change this 2 log into 1 log, and that is there. This is your second step. Okay. Now third step. Third step, I want to calculate the domain. So that is a step of domain. In this way, you are going to revise. Acha, that is a step of domain. That's all. You are not going to see each step what I am doing there. Fourth step. Fourth step, this log base is 10. 10 will go, 10 is greater than 1. 10 will go that side. 10 raised to 0 will become 1. Now it will come this. And now we have to solve this step and we'll get the answer. And fifth step, we have to take intersection of both answer. That is our final answer. So these all were the concept in this question. Okay. After that, you will start seeing all the calculations. First, you will see this step is already clear. This step is already clear. Here you will see, acha, this x square greater than 0, I solve for finding the domain. X plus 1 greater than 0, I solve for finding the domain. What were the steps? You will see each step. Acha, this way I am finding the domain. Okay, na? This way I am finding answer of this. And how we are taking intersection. So you will revise concept in one go. Second go, you are going to revise its calculation. After that, one more revision, concept and calculation both together. Don't do revision of this question as concept and calculation both together. You will never learn. Okay. First, revise concept. What are the main 4 steps is used in this question. Then see on those 4 steps, what are the calculation. Then in third revision, do both the things together. In third division, first line this, second line this, third line this, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and combination of both that step and that step. Then you will go for full revision. In first attempt, don't go for full revision. Okay? Concept needs to be in the mind. So revise concept separately. Calculation also needs to be in the mind. Revise calculation separately. Then you give one more revision. With one question, you can learn lot of questions. Always remember. Only when you are revising concept and calculation separately. Okay? So thank you everyone.